How to hide Instagram chats or DM without deleting them. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to hide DMs or chats on Instagram but without deleting it. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the Instagram, make sure to sign in or log in to your Instagram account. And then the first thing you need to do here is switch your personal account to professional account. If you don't know how to do it, then follow this step. Just go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see that here is the professional dashboard. That means we have successfully switched to personal account. So professional account. So now on this feed, you have to select the three-line icon at the top right corner, and then you have to scroll towards the bottom of the screen, and on there for professional, select account types and tools. Now choose switch to professional account, and you have to follow all the steps and select continue button. Once done, select which best describes you and then tap on done button. Here you have to choose whether creator or business and then tap on the next button. If you wish to share logins using Account Center, you can select continue or select not now button. On this section, you have to set up your professional account and then complete all the steps, but it is optional. Once done, you need to go back to Instagram again. Then you have to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen. So when you tap on the particular option or the chat, you will see the option to move to general or on read. So let's select to move to general. And once done, on this primary section, as you can see that we have successfully hidden that particular chats without deleting them.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.